Just a few minutes ago, we had a room that had a couple pieces of furniture in here and not a lot else going on. And now the room is ready for spring. We're ready for our Easter brunch that's coming soon. And we've created a space that is magical and whimsical. And we cannot wait to share with you just how we've done it. Let's go. So what do you think of my room so far?
I love it. I love all the plants, and it's just so springy already. I'm ready for spring to come.
I know, it's freezing outside, but that doesn't mean that we have to give up spring inside.
No, and this is the perfect room with all the light.
Well, this is kind of one of the reasons that I bought this house, was because I absolutely loved the feeling that it was a conservatory. It's almost like a greenhouse.
It really is.
And
it really is.
I've been debating over whether I wanted to take that further. Do I want to make, I don't know, to play up the feeling that it's a garden room.
Yeah, I mean, it could be like your study at times, or even when the kids doing homework, but yet you can eat in here.
Well, and originally we had this as a living room, but now we've switched it out to a dining room. It just works better for our family. So we still have to do flooring, and I may paint in this room later, but for now,
oh, I think it's perfect.
we've got spring upon us, Easter's here, and I just want to get this table set and make it really special. And I thought,
sounds like fun.
You're the person to bring in for that.
That's my favorite thing to do.
Yay! We might have just bought out Pottery Barn.
Oh, it was lots of fun. A lot of fun.
So as we left the store with all these bags, you're like, we got it all.
Nothing left.
Nothing left for you. We're gonna set this table, and then we'll share some of our tips and tricks and what we think makes a great spring table that will transition you all the way from Easter straight to summer.
Sounds great.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Oh. All right.
Holy cow. I told you to buy the place
I
out.
told you we bought them out, but oh my gosh, look at these cute little silver bunnies.
Those are adorable.
So we've got placeholders, and these are full of the really pretty plates. Oh, and you brought chargers.
I did.
Got these really cool chargers.
I love these things. I can use them year round.
We got these off of Etsy.
Is that where they were?
Uh-huh. Actually, this was one of the gifts that Dad let me buy for you.
Yeah. I have used them quite a bit.
Let's see what we got here. So these are small ones. I just love the color. And peach and pink and grays and
That's
blues.
really adorable.
It's beautiful. All right, let's get this table set. You want to go ahead and grab those other chargers? I am so in love with these plates.
They're really unusual. They really are very pretty.
I just think that I'm into, well, clearly I'm into florals because it kind of goes with my
you
dress.
match your plates.
I know. Well, imagine that. Yeah, I got this flax.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Isn't that pretty? I thought that this would play off with the flax that's in the rest of the space.
You're right. Let me get on the other side here. What's fun with these two is you can also put like little sayings on it if you don't want to have somebody's name on there. Put little sayings or cute little things.
Let's do that. That would be really fun.
Put an extra underneath.
Lavender that makes it smell so good in here.
Oh, that's gonna be really pretty.
Turned out
it did.
so magical.
It's beautiful. I think you could use it all summer long, even just changing it out.
I don't even know if I'm ever going to want to change it. It's so pretty. It's got this feeling of elegance. It's also casual and cozy and comfortable, and it's approachable. And what I love about this is that the little details are something that the kids are going to want to touch, and they can walk in and they can smell. And there's lavender and there's herbs, and there are things that they can actually we can actually use this space. It becomes a part of our life, and I think that that's something really special when a garden is part of your life. We used plates that didn't have bunnies all over them, so it doesn't feel like this is for Easter. I think these little name tags are one of my favorite things, by the way. But using a bunny as a name tag doesn't mean that the whole thing is an Easter. Layering like the bunny and then the plates and adding a napkin in between and then wood, like we're just adding a lot of textures and colors, and it makes the table interesting.
And with your wire basket too, that just brings out even more of
It's a little bit rustic. We put a rustic wire basket next to a Waterford crystal.
Yeah. How often do people try and do that?
Why not? And I know that we're gonna absolutely love sitting here looking out over the garden, which is in the process of being made over, but you know, it's the garden indoors, and I think that that is something really special. That
it is. There's something about being in a garden that, to me, it's a peacefulness, and I love it. I think I told you before, when I was young, we used to go visit a lady, and she had a room similar to this, and the lady would have tea for us, and we, to this day, and that had to be, I don't know how many years ago, but
I need to add that next, some teacups.
Yeah,
we have tea in here.
It's a memory I've kept all these years. I've always thought, and you would look out and you could see her backyard in the back, and it was, like you said, magical.
Thank you so much for visiting us today. I hope you enjoyed that Yayo is here with us yet again. Hey, thank you for being with us.
So much fun.
And I hope that you've enjoyed this space. I know that we've enjoyed being able to create it, and I'm so excited that the room smells divine. Right now I've got my favorite candle going, and it smells like lavender and sage, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's so amazing. I'm so excited. It's so wonderful.
You're gonna enjoy this.
I know, I'm so excited. I thought, let's just do a table, and then instead I got an entire room. So it just goes to show that you can shop at places like Wayfair, H&M Home, Pottery Barn. Those places you can find some really great stuff and create beautiful, beautiful rooms, spaces, and even tables for your spring that's coming. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you'll visit us at houseofvalentina.com. Oh my gosh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit subscribe. That way you'll know the minute we have another video that's coming out, because spring and summer is upon us, and we're so excited. There's gonna be so many great things coming up, and we don't want you to miss anything. Don't forget to leave us a comment as well. We love being able to hear what you thought. Hopefully you love it. Give us a thumbs up and let us know. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.